summer, the nation consumed by the nomination of Amy Coney Barrett to the Supreme Court. Now, speculation about another battle over the Supreme Court as calls come in from the left for Justice Stephen Breyer to retire. Why would the left want this veteran liberal justice gone? The answer, politics.
We need to ensure, especially given the fact that our democracy today is unraveling, that we are able to replace Justice Breyer with someone who also will be committed to preserving the fundamental right of people to vote in this country.
Despite support from Democrats like California Senator Dianne Feinstein, one man silent on the issue, Justice Breyer himself, who at 82 years old has served on the court since 1994. There's no reason to suggest he will bend to the pressure, especially if he believes it to be partisan.
I don't think Justice Breyer is likely to bend to the pressure on him to retire. He believes very much in the independence of the courts.
But court politics can be complicated. Savvy maneuvering from Republicans secured the nomination of two conservative-leaning justices in Brett Kavanaugh and Amy Coney Barrett. Now, fears from Democrats about holding the House and Senate in 2022, potentially leaving this left flank on the bench vulnerable, and they want to learn from the past.
We cannot afford another situation like what happened with Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
Meanwhile, Massachusetts Senator Ed Markey and House Democrats have introduced a bill that would expand the Supreme Court by 4 more justices. It's called court packing, a term that dogged Biden on the campaign trail and one centrist Democrats don't like. Speaker Pelosi saying she has no plans to bring Markey's bill to the floor.
Democrats are playing with fire in terms of this effort to pack the court, so to speak. When the Republicans take over, they can just as easily add even more seats. And then the Democrats will take over later and add more seats. And you just end up with this domino effect and a real impairment to the Supreme Court as an institution independent of Congress and the presidency.